Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be reviewing this Moloco Hydro Cushion FGE 50-foot plug door boxcar. Now, this is obviously a unpainted, well, no, unlettered, but painted version. So I got this. This should be like new, or like new in the box, because I got this from a seller at the train club I go to. Now, as you can see, there is no instruction manual, but then again, I'm not sure if instruction manuals come with these boxcars, because it's my first one, so I'm not too sure. Now, it does look to be, it's been opened, so he said it was basically brand new. I mean, the treads on the wheels look brand new, so I will be doing a review on this. So as you can see with the packaging, you've got a nice plastic cradle with plastic film to protect from scuffs. So here it is. Here's the box. The box seems really nice and sturdy. It's a nice cardboard box. I mean, there isn't really anything about the car specifically other than the actual tag itself. Other than that, that box should be good. So here is the car. It is painted in a nice vibrant yellow. The painting is very nice. It's very thin. None of the details that I can see so far are really, what do you call it? Absorbed, or like, you can't really see them through the paint. You can still kind of see them. All the rivets are nicely molded. I mean, there's a lot of nicely separated applied detail. All the tracks, these are all separately applied. These are all separately applied. You've got some stirrup steps here, and here. Oh, uh-oh. There's a stirrup step missing there, so that's... Yeah, and there's one here, so that is not good. It seems to is just fallen off, so it hasn't broken off, so who knows, maybe on Moloco's website there should be a stirrup step I can buy. Here is the underbody detail, and there is a lot of it, and it's nicely molded, but what I can see is I can see glue. If you see right there and right there, you can kind of see some glue. You can kind of see it in the reflection. Other than that, I don't really see any. Oh, well, there's some right there too. You can kind of see it there. But as you can see from the side, you can really see that brake detail. And moving on to the trucks, we have plastic trucks, brake detail on the actual trucks. Nice smooth metal wheels. These are actually really nice. Here is the trucks. They have some molded in words on the actual trucks. I don't know if you can see those in the shadow. Here are the ends. So as you can see, we have separately applied ladders. We have a coupler and cut leveler. I think these are KD 158s, not exactly sure, but these are metal couplers, which are very handy and nice. We got a brake hose, a walkover platform. It seems to be photo etch. You can see through it. Now, what is strange is that there are 3 screws holding in this coupler box, but the actual coupler box itself has detail on it, and the detail looks very, very nice. Here is the other end, or the other side. Now, there is some paint chipping off of this. You can kind of see it. Not really, though. Yeah, you can kind of see it. But then again, I'm not sure the date, if this car is brand new or not. There seems to be, this ladder seems to be not glued, not held into place. That's just a simple fix of glue. Like I said, I'm not really gonna go too harsh on this model because I don't really know how old it is. It could be 3 years, it could be a few months, I'm not too sure. Here is this end. Now, looks to me that this is a little bent to the right, but since this part is going to be behind another car, it doesn't really matter. That brake wheel does seem to be a little out of place. Yeah, it seems to be bent downwards. Yeah, but then again, I don't think that much people are going to notice. But it does seem to be sturdy in place, so that might be a factory problem. You have a L-shaped grab iron on the roof, but as you can see, there's no roof rock. So that means that this has been modified with the roof walk off. You got another metal coupler. So overall, the detail is really nice. I mean, the underbody detail has glue on it, which no one's gonna notice unless you derail. I mean, come on now, let's be real. I mean, I do like how the coupler pockets have detail on them, not just a plain old coupler pocket. And I do honestly really like this yellow. It's a really nice and bright yellow. I'm not sure where the decals are for this specific car. I think they might be on Moloco's website, but I don't plan on decaling it for a specific road number or road name. I plan on doing my own road name and then like doing some other stuff from those decals. But other than that, let's do a coupler height gauge test and then let's put it on the track. So here is the car. It's a pretty nice rollability. So let's see. That seems to be basically spot on. Let me get it down to the level. So yeah, that seems to be spot on. Now let's check the other side. And these trucks do not have rolling bearing caps. I just noticed that. Okay, there we go. Yep, that one seems to be good too. So the couplers are in the correct height. Okay, so before we put it on the track, let's weigh it. So this car is actually bigger than the plate on the scale. And it comes in at 4.4 ounces, and that is 124 grams. Which is surprising because if I'm correct, that is lighter than the Bachmann poultry car that I reviewed a few weeks ago, and that is only a 40-foot box car. Okay, I got the car down on the track. Now let's start moving. So it's being pulled by an Atlas RS3, and let's see if it derails. I'm just gonna give a quick little run by of the train that's behind it. Let's go a little faster. There we go. It's a good low speed. Okay, this is an S bend. Now let's see if it makes it past this. And it did, but the rest of my train didn't. Okay, so the car is gonna go over this one. This is probably the worst piece of track I have. Oh, it seemed to have bounced. I'm not sure if it derailed.